Some cars make a statement, others start a revolution. And then there's this, the 2026 Mercedes AMG GT63 S, a machine that doesn't whisper luxury, it shouts dominance. With 640 horsepower, mind-bending performance, and a design that blends elegance with aggression, this car isn't just fast, it's ferocious. Welcome back to Garage Galaxy, where we bring you the hottest rides and futuristic machines from the world of automotive excellence. If you love cars that make your heart race, you're in the right place. Let's start with that face. The Panamericana grille, wider and meaner than ever, screams AMG heritage. The redesigned LED headlights now use AMG's digital light technology, throwing over 1 million pixels per beam. So sharp, they look like laser eyes scanning the road ahead. Every curve, every vent, every crease on this body has a purpose. Aerodynamics isn't just science here, it's art. From the aggressive front splitter to the retractable rear spoiler, everything on this car is designed to slice through air like a jet. Under that sculpted hood lives pure AMG magic. A 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, hand-built by a single engineer, following AMG's legendary one-man, one-engine philosophy. The result? A jaw-dropping 640 horsepower and 900 newton-meters of torque. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour? Just 3.1 seconds. Top speed? Around 315 kilometers per hour. Electronically limited. This isn't just power, it's precision. The new 9-speed AMG SpeedShift transmission and 4 MATIC plus all-wheel drive system make sure all that fury translates into unstoppable performance, whether you're cruising through city streets or dominating the track. Step inside, and you're not in a car anymore. You're in a luxury cockpit built for a fighter pilot. The AMG Performance seats wrap around you in diamond-stitched Nappa leather, with ventilation, heating, and massage functions. The flat-bottom AMG steering wheel is crafted in Alcantara and carbon fiber. Right in front of you, a massive 12.3-inch digital driver display and a 12.8-inch OLED center screen, both running MBUX with AMG-specific graphics. You can customize everything, from the digital gauges to ambient lighting with 64 colors to the exhaust tone. This isn't just driving, it's a sensory experience. And Mercedes didn't hold back on tech. You've got MBUX AI Assistant that actually learns your habits. It knows your favorite routes, your seat position, even your preferred driving mode. The Burmester 3D surround sound system with 15 speakers turns every drive into a concert. And yes, it comes fully loaded with Level 2 Plus semi-autonomous driving features, advanced lane keeping, and adaptive cruise control. The 2026 refresh brings sharper lines, lighter materials, and bold new colors like AMG Hyper Blue, Graphite Gray Magno, and Obsidian Black Metallic. Even the wheels are new, 21-inch forged alloys with red calipers that hint at the power hiding within. And that AMG badge on the rear? It's more than a logo, it's a warning. So, what is the 2026 Mercedes AMG GT63 S? It's not just a luxury sedan, it's a supercar in disguise. A beast dressed in a tuxedo. A masterpiece that proves performance and prestige can live together. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 AMG GT63 S the ultimate luxury performance car? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of high-performance luxury, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon for more epic car content every week. This is Garage Galaxy, and I'll see you in the next ride.